Hello, happy people. I hope all of you are staying indoors and staying safe. Extremely important during the lockdown. Uh, and please do spend some quality time with your near and dear ones. You're not going to get this time again, although it's a bit too long. But welcome to Bhopali Tales. What is Bhopali Tales? Bhopali Tales is the collection of some of the greatest stories passed down generations. The beauty of the story is it gets more amusing each time it's narrated. And stay tuned as we take you through the secrets and hidden moments of the courts of Bhopal. Now, the story will get more and more amusing as and when it's narrated, which is the strength of Bhopali stories, which is why they're so interesting. So, some of the feedback that we've been getting, first and foremost, please go and press the subscribe button and the notification button so you keep getting notified every time there's a new story, and also it keeps us notified by you putting in your comments, some of which have been so far between Facebook and YouTube. So, our vegetarian friends across the world have taken serious offense to the fact that the first three recipes are primarily flesh related and purely non vegetarian. Whether it's the Mercury Rooster, whether it's the Reach Ka Accelerator, or whether it's the Coxcomb, all are non vegetarian. I was told that some people made coxcomb curry, murge ki kalgi ka korma at home. So I'm waiting to hear what exactly happened. Did they actually bring the house down? The other comments have been that we should start bringing the ancient and funny Bhopal hunting stories, i.e., shikar stories, told by some of the most popular characters of Bhopal. And last but not the least, credit to most of these stories goes to a gentleman who was extremely close to me, and I had the fortune of him taking me to school and bringing me back from boarding school each time, spending time with him in those days. And his name was Sikandar Muhammad Khan Taj. Taj was his takhallus, and popularly known in Bhopal as Aina Mia. So he is the person who brought all these stories. So I hope you enjoy it. The idea is to keep all of us entertained and amused during this lockdown, which is an extremely tough time for everyone. And I think laughter brings the best out of all of us. So let's have a good laugh. And we move on to recipe number 4. This is for my vegetarian friends, primarily vegetarian and vegan friends. The requests coming primarily from the US, very few from India, surprisingly, because people probably made good with. I was told that 5-6 people ran to the jungles of Bhopal looking for slot bear. Please don't. It's against the Wildlife Act. Try the other two. Go and buy 100 chicks, start feeding them till you are left with one. Or the easy one is coxcomb curry. So moving on to the vegetarian recipe. So what I've actually done is I've concocted a few ingredients, and I'll tell you how to make a salad out of it. Although I'm not a chef, but I thought that'll be an easier way to put it across. So first I'll talk through the ingredients, the benefits of them, and then how it can be put together as a salad at home. So the first ingredient is, and I'll give you a little bit of history, the little bit that I know, is rocket leaves. So rocket leaves also known as jarjir in the Arabic Mediterranean, always served just before your meal. When you go and sit down on a table in the Mediterranean, this massive, beautiful platter, colorful platter comes across, which the key constituent is rocket leaves. Rocket leaf has been natural Viagra since the first century. Uh, the Romans, in fact, consecrated it to Priapus, which happens to be the god of fertility. So that is the power of rocket leaves. So, so not to turn you into a cow or anything, but we'll move on. The second ingredient is pine nut. Now, pine nut is loaded with a particular compound. It's called, from memory, it's called arginine. Arginine, when it goes into our body, converts into some kind of oxide, nitric oxide or something, which is also used to make Viagra. It really stimulates the blood flow. Once the blood flow stimulates, as you know, our member works on pressure and doesn't have a bone. So again, an amazing thing. The third ingredient, which is actually the star, it is not pine nut, sorry, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds is actually the vegetarian equivalent of oysters. Pumpkin seeds are amazing for both partners, the male and the female. Extremely high on zinc. Also easy to do. You take them out, you dry them, and they come out as really small white seeds, which are very difficult to eat. So pumpkin seeds, pine nuts, and rocket. So for pine nuts also, because extremely difficult to extract and oily, so it adds to a lot of stimulation and your blood flow. Then are the two other elements you could add, should add. One is almonds, badam, and the other is ginger juliennes. So you put it all together, season it. So basically, again, repeating: rocket leaves, pine nuts, chilgoza, pumpkin seed, badam, ginger juliennes. If you have access to, go ahead, add some figs and add some avocado. Amazing results. Put it all together, stir it, some olive oil, lots of olive oil. Also, a natural ingredient which helps with enhancing your estrogen and testosterone. Put it all together, eat it as per the Bhopalis. This is called a real palang tol mixture or salad, and in English, bed breaking. So after having this, the chances of you breaking the bed are immense. So the other parallel drawn was meaning if you start at a certain position, a certain place, after around half an hour you would find yourself approximately 25 meters ahead. That's the power of these ingredients put together. So I would say exercise caution, have it in smaller quantities, and please do give your comments, because that is what leads us to explore all these things and go back and look at these ancient recipes and bring them to you. So this is again a do-it-yourself recipe, easy to do at home. So my friends in the US, go to the nearest grocery or supermarket, these ingredients, get them together, and make your own salad concoction, and let us know the results through the comments. And my friends over here, you actually have enough to do, so this should be a little low on your radar, but here we go. recipe number 4, all related to stimulating your circulatory system, which leads to increased pressure, which is amazingly good for you. So enjoy it, be safe, stay at home, save lives. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this evening.